This is UltraFill Gold Plus, the choice of professionals who demand perfection. With its smooth, creamy consistency, it mixes and applies with ease and is designed to fill minor dents, scratches and imperfections, leaving a flawlessly smooth substrate for primer. Gold Plus accelerates workflow with fast curing times, allowing you to move quickly through to sanding. Effortless sanding properties allow precise shaping, seamless feathering, and perfectly smooth paint-ready surfaces, all with minimal effort. Our unique lightweight formula maintains exceptional strength and durability, delivering long-lasting results that stand the test of time.